Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel. Today we've hired a detailer to come apply a ceramic coating on the 911. He's going to wash the car and he's going to apply the ceramic coating to the exterior paint. We've been wanting to do this for a while. The paint on the car has a few blemishes and it doesn't really look brand new. When he applies the ceramic coating, it'll look brand new and it's going to last a pretty long time. Alright guys, so Sam just finished cleaning up the car. He just finished washing it. We've just pulled it inside. He's going to start vacuuming the exterior, getting rid of all the water, the excess water. And he's going to start applying the ceramic coating. Sam, how long have you been detailing cars?
12 years.
12 years? Have you always been doing it in the Houston area?
Houston, I traveled to LA, I traveled to Arizona, Florida, Washington, Colorado, New Mexico for clients.
Have you ever gone out of country to detail a car?
No, but that'll be my next main goal.
What's the rarest car you'd say you've detailed?
The rarest car, a 69 Camaro and a half. No, 69 and a half Camaro, I'm sorry.
What made you start detailing cars?
Well, I ended up one day, I was at Jiffelu doing oil changes on cars, and I ended up seeing people's engine that's really, really bad. And the oil that was left over on the engine, I ended up cleaning it. And when I cleaned it, a customer looked at it at the end, they're like, this is very nice. So ever since then, I started detailing cars. You got two different type of detailing. You got people who washes cars and leave you a whole bunch of marks and swirl marks and bad results from cars. Or you got people who make love to cars. You know, people who make love to cars and all that, they ended up making the car look brand new. Because a lot of people say, oh, I know how to detail a car. I'm like, no, this detailing and this making love to a car. And the pros and cons about this, detailing cars, you got a lot of competitors out there. I'm not talking bad about other people and all that, but you know, it's survival of the fittest. You know, you do a good job on a car, they recommend you. If you do a bad job on a car, it gets spread around. I don't talk bad about other detailers, I don't talk bad about the works, nothing like that. I keep my mouth shut, and that's just me.
All right, guys, so Sam just finished, and he's gonna be on his way home. I just wanted to thank you again, Sam. Thank you so much for the work.
Take care.
Thank you. All right, guys, so it's the day after Sam's detailing. It wasn't really a detail per se, but it was more of a very deep clean for the exterior. He didn't really touch on the interior, but it was all exterior. Firstly, he washed the car. You know, he gave it a good wash to get all the dust and leaves and everything off of it and make it nice and shiny and prepare it for the polish. And then, yes, he applied the polish to the paint around the entire car. But before that, actually, he buffed some parts of the paint because some parts of this car, some parts of the paint were not in the best condition. So he had to buff it. I'm not really a detailing guy myself. I've seen a few videos, but I don't know the real terms for what he did. He used like one of those buffing things and he got out the imperfections and he smoothed it out. And now the paint, before it felt, you know, kind of, when you ran your finger across it, it felt kind of, you know, jarry and kind of brittle-ish. But now it feels like glass. Like it even sounds like smooth. You can hear like, okay, you can't really hear it, but you can. And you can't feel it either, I don't know where I'm going. It feels amazing, it feels really smooth, and the paint, he really brought the paint back to life. So before Sam's work, there were a bunch of swirls all over the paint, you know. You look at it and there were a bunch of swirls and scratches and little marks all over the paint. It wasn't terrible, but it was not in the best condition. It really could have used a little TLC. So that's exactly what Sam did. He came and he buffed the paint, he washed it, he polished it, and then he applied the ceramic coat. He uses, I believe, Halo it's called. I'll have a product list in the description if any of y'all want to use any of those products that Sam has used. But by God, this car looks amazing now. It is shiny and clean. Let me show y'all some better shots. But you can really see those flakes popping. It's a very interesting color. It has all these hues of black with pearls that are both purple, gray, and blue. It's a very weird mix of colors, and under certain different lighting, it's almost like the color changes. In some lighting, the car can look purple, it can look like a really deep blue, or it can look gray even. Right now, in regular sunlight, it looks black with a tint of blue, and I really love this color. So Sam really made the color pop. You can really see there's very few, if any, imperfections in the paint. Even the headlights, he cleaned up the headlights a bit. Before they were a bit dirty and had cracks all over them, the paint, it's just beautiful. He did an amazing job. He really did. Thank you, Sam. Thank you very much. The car looks absolutely phenomenal.